Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will react on Afghanistan traditional dance, but this maybe not belong to Afghanistan, it's belong to Pakistan country. Hope you like and enjoy from this beautiful Attan. So be with me up to the end of video and I will like to share. Hey guys, do you know where are they from? I think they are from Pakistan. If you know, so let me to know in comment section. So see you. Hey Attan lovers, what do you think about this Attan? Is it good or nice? Tell me in part of comment section. I think it's really cool and nice Attan. This is the end of video and this is my next suggestion for you. Bye bye.